Diagnosing asthma: mild, moderate, and severe. To learn if you have asthma, see a doctor to be diagnosed. The doctor will ask you a few questions, examine you, and do lung tests and other tests. You might need some of these tests on a different day or after taking certain medicines. Asthma can run in families, so your doctor will probably ask if anyone else in your family has asthma, allergies, or even colds that last a long time. Your environment, meaning your home, outside your home, your place of work, or other places you spend time, can cause asthma or make it worse. Your doctor will ask you about your environment. This includes if you have pets, live in an area with a lot of grass, mold, or traffic, and spend time around people who smoke.
World Asthma Day is observed on the first Tuesday of May every year to raise awareness about the respiratory disease called asthma. This day also highlights how this dreadful disease can be controlled with proper treatment and cure. Speaking to Salar, Dr. Sachin D, an experienced pulmonologist from Manipal Hospital, explained more on the causes and treatments for it. Here's what he had to say.
Nowadays, we are seeing an increase in the trend of asthma number of cases due to several factors, be it be the air pollution, the lifestyle changes, be it be the genetic factors, etc. We are do seeing a lot of cases, including childrens and young adults, coming with later stages of asthma. They're not being detected early. They attribute their symptoms of chronic cough and chronic wheezing to simple common cold or influenza or upper respiratory illness, or it could be due to change in weather, etc., and ignore these symptoms in the early stages. But they won't realize that asthma, being a common preventable and treatable disease, should be recognized early in the course of illness. There are tests to diagnose asthma and treat it before it progresses into a severe stage. Inhalers do stay as the mainstay of treatment for asthma, although newer molecules like monoclonal antibodies as well as thermoplasty, the bronchial thermoplasty, are the advancements that have occurred in the management of the severe forms of asthma. So, asthma being treatable and being preventable is a condition which should be recognized early and treated promptly. On this occasion of World Asthma Day, I would like to tell the people who have persistent allergies, chronic cough, wheezing, etc., to please come forward, get yourself tested, and say cure from asthma.